This is Acer Sango Kaku, in my opinion, one of the best varieties and highly underrated varieties of Japanese maple. 15 to 20, occasionally 25 foot high, with a nice, strong, vigorous, upright growing habit that broadens out with age. Comes out in springtime with yellowish young growth that's pinkish tinged, green during the summertime, but now in autumn takes on this spectacular butter yellow and canary yellow colour with orangey tints, and then in the winter time these beautiful bright red stems. Hardy to zone 5, it's an excellent variety that we've been growing for many years and certainly deserves to be grown in a lot more gardens. Beautiful small to medium-sized tree. So I hope you get a chance to grow it somewhere in your garden. This is David Wilson for Over the Vast Nurseries. Enjoy your gardening. It's good for us and it's very good for our environment too.